Looking at another angle, the news side. I am Daniel Alon Manuel to guide you through one of the most anticipated and hottest events this year at NU Manila, University Week 2024. This year's University Week is a series of events organized by the National University Central Student Government or NUCSG entitled Any Wave Upon Tropical Summer with Me and You. The feel of blast can already be felt as it is packed with six enjoyable segments that started from May 20 to June 8. These prepared tropical festivities can surely replace the summer air with vibrant energy. To quickly feel that air, let's meet some of our lovely nationalians and express their feelings by using popular memes on the internet.
Yung kay Pokong, yung medyo naguluhan ako na. Kasi this University Week 2024, sobrang daming ginagawa. Like, nationalians can't even focus on one event because NUCSG are providing entertainment, even wellness webinar this University Week. So, I presume not only me, but also the other nationalians, like, medyo naguluhan ako na sa mga nangyayari.
Kung meron mo magdi-describe, ito siya. Ganyan na siya kasi para siyang aircon. Sobrang init ngayon guys, tignan nyo tumatagaktak na yung pawis. Pero masaya naman mag-ikot dyan. And excited na ako lalo sa Friday. Parang gusto ko na lang magpantropik ko sa init. Yun lang guys.
You are, who are you? Go, go, go! Kasi bakit? Kasi dito po sa ating Game Times for today ay kung saan college ka, kung ano ka na sinusuportan, you are, who are you? And I thank you!
I think it would be Chicana! Kita nyo naman yung mga players ko, haggard, di ba? Pero slay pa rin. Sa buong duration ng University Peak, mas naging smooth siya ngayon kaysa last year. So, I am very happy sa naging result.
Ano yung meme ni Micaela Bello bata siya? But syempre kasi kid pa din kahit nga ang daming struggles, ang daming pinagdaanan na itong University Weekend, ngayon na-rouse na namin.
With a combination of nationalians' gracious welcome and active participation, it made University Week a gleaming success. Woo! The sweat we've endured throughout this event is without a doubt worth it. I am Daniel Alon Manuel of TNTV, who looked at another angle, the news side.